Is your 7.3 Power Stroke making way too much boost?
Don't like those codes.
Well, now you can get the Overboost Annihilator. So this is for the guys who are running tunes that aren't adjusting that map max and it's throwing a check engine light every time you go to make more than 23, 24, 25 pounds of boost. So we're gonna drop this on Jake's truck because he's running into that issue. And I'll show you guys how easy it is to put one on. Let's get started. All right, so the Driven Diesel Overboost Annihilator, all this is it's an inline pressure regulator. So we're just gonna drop this in line between your spider and your map sensor, and that's gonna regulate your boost. So you're not getting those overboost codes. These things come preset at that 22, 23 pounds. You could probably adjust it if you have differences in your tune and go from there. So we're gonna show you guys how to put this on. Super easy, all you gotta do, disconnect your old map hose, which is this guy right here. This is your map sensor and your hose. We're gonna pull off this clamp right here, pull off that clamp right there, just this guy right here. It's just a little, ours is a screw clamp. I think factory comes with the squeeze style, which are annoying. That's why we changed it. So just loosen it, pop it off. Look at that. Ooh, there's your map hose. Yeah, and then just got the clamp undone. So you just drop that clamp off and it's that easy. And we're just gonna pull this hose off. Don't break your map sensor. Those are expensive. No pressure. Hey Jake, you wanna do this so I don't break your truck?
Oh yeah.
Yeah dude, get in there.
Yep.
There you go. So after you snap your map sensor nipple off, you have to buy a new one. You just pull this line out of the way. Keep it, well, look at it, make sure there's no holes in it, because if you're having issues, it could have just been your hose all along, not an overboost issue.
That's a leak.
So, once you got your hose out of the way, you're gonna undo these two little bolts right here. These little fellas, they are T20. So just loosen it a few turns. We can slide that Overboost Annihilator. These holes, guys, these aren't mounting holes. You're not putting the screws through these. This is a sandwich plate. And it just hooks in right there, that's it. Not bolting anything down, just like that. We got our map sensor loose. Slip that underneath your plate. There you go, Jake.
Telling me
It's
I don't
that
have
easy.
to drill new holes to mount this?
Driven makes it super easy with this kit. You probably need an extension there, Jaco. Let me make your life a little easier. Yeah, I heard it click.
Hand tight? Yeah, if you hear it click.
Make sure you calibrate your elbow before you do this job, Make sure it's nice and calibrated so you got that.
Do the one finger torque check.
Cracking noise. Driven gives you these nice long hoses. All you're gonna do is just route it. Plan, it's like, okay, how am I gonna route it? I wanna route it here and give myself a little slack and probably go under this sick H-pop line and right there. So I'll just kind of mark that out in my head and hold it right there. This is not the correct tool for this job, but it does work. It works pretty well. You get to reuse these terrible old clamps. I would recommend now is the time to swap to these screw style clamps because the squeezy ones are such a pain, especially when you start putting aftermarket stuff all up into here. It makes it a lot easier to use these little screw guys. Now size this thing up and figure out how much we need to take off. We got to loop her down and then back up onto that nipple that's right here. So you're trying to get her on the map sensor here, up underneath my finger. You've got a whole bunch of extra room, but you want to have a little bit of a flexibleness. So
I want to kink it.
Okay, so we're gonna replace this old stock little squeezy clamp with a nice screw style clamp. Makes it a lot easier. It's gonna give us a nice snug fit. Got a little squish. Just look out for the little bit of squish on the hose, and that's how you know. So that's it, guys. That's how you install that Overboost Annihilator from Driven Diesel. It's super easy. Just replace your old map hose, put that one in line, sandwich that plate underneath your map sensor and the mounting bracket. You're good to go. To adjust it, all you gotta do is pull that knob out, it'll click, and then you can adjust up or down if you wanna change that pressure regulator limit. It comes preset at that 23-ish pounds boost. Should be good for most stock trucks. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Otherwise, like, comment, subscribe. Get one of these now on KCTurbos.com if your truck is making way too much power, just like Jake's.